up, you guys? My name is Kayla Marie and welcome back to another video. So if you are new to my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and if you are an old subscriber, welcome back to my videos. So today I will be doing a product review on this bicycle called the Weslo Pursuit G13 that I picked up from my local Walmart. Okay, you guys, so this bike cost me about $184. Okay, you guys, so here are some of the top features of this bike. It says it's easy access. The step-through frame makes getting on and off your bike much easier than a traditional bike frame. It's comfortable and customizable. Don't just work out, enjoy a comfortable ride. This seat has added cushion and easy adjust so you can find the perfect fit. And then it's adjustable intensity. Instantly increase or decrease the resistance with the easy turn knob located on the bike frame within easy reach. So those are some of the features that the bike offers. Okay, you guys, so this bike said that it's good for developing cardiovascular health. It's good for recovering from injuries, and then it's also good to exercise while you're watching TV. Okay, you guys, so I decided to give this bike a test. So I did 3 days of a 20-minute workout. Okay, you guys, so let's get into the pros and the cons of this bike. So the first pro is you can exercise while watching TV. The second one is the resistance on the bike is pretty good. It's pretty good resistant. And then the third one is you do get a cup holder, well, a water bottle holder for your water bottles. So some of the cons are with this bike is the bike was not stable. And what I mean by the bike was not stable was it wobbled everywhere. It doesn't feel like the bike was leveled out. One side seemed like it was higher than the other side of the bike, so it did cause noise when I was pedaling the bike. The bike just moved back and forth while I was pedaling. The second one was the screws didn't seem to fit properly. So with the water bottle holder, my screws didn't completely go in. So I probably needed a drill to get it in there, but it just didn't fit in there, so I couldn't use the water bottle holder, it wasn't a bad thing because all I had to do was just put my water bottle on the floor. But I feel like with a product, you want all the features to be what they say they are. The third one was the seats are not adjustable. And as in adjustable, I mean you can't just easily move the bike up and down like some of the bikes that you would get at the gym. But then again, what do you expect? It was $184. So I guess it's a give or take on that one. But if you want to adjust the bike, you would have to go underneath the bike, take all the screws out, and then lift the bike, push the bike up, and then you will have to put the screws back in. So if somebody is taller or shorter, this may not be a good bike for you. This isn't a good bike for you because you will have to unscrew the bike every time you use it and you want to adjust the bike. So that was a no-go for me. And then the handles were very wobbly. So the front part of the bike, the handle wobbled so much that I couldn't even use it. So I just used the handles that were on the seat. I just used those when I was working out. And then the straps kept coming off on the pedal. So the straps, they did not stay on the pedal. They came off occasionally while I was pedaling. And then the last one was my legs started hurting really bad after 10 minutes. Not even my legs, my knees were hurting super bad after pedaling. And I don't know if it was because the angle of the bike, but even when I had the resistance down to maybe about 2 or 3, I noticed that the back of my legs hurted so bad. And I did stretch before I did use the bike, but it just hurted so bad to the point where I couldn't even go that long on riding the bike because it just hurted so. Those are all the pros and the cons of this bike. Like I said, the bike was pretty inexpensive. It was about $184, so that's not too bad. Just it's really up to you. You have to weigh the pros and the cons, and it may be a good fit for you. It just was not a good fit for me. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you in your decision with finding an inexpensive bike. Like I said, this bike for me, it just was a no-go. And I tried to give it plenty of chances. Maybe I was doing something wrong, but it just honestly, the bike just did not work for me. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe, stay blessed, and have a good day. Bye.